many trends sound amazing until you're short and try them on. I'm 5'2". I tried all the biggest denim trends this season. A lot of them had to go back. They look just ridiculous, but some of them are not only wearable, but also can make you look stunning if you style it right. So let me walk you through the top 5 most flattering trends for short women. At the end of the video, I have a surprise for you. There is one dominant trend. You're thinking, no, it's never gonna work, but I actually like it. So watch till the end and let me know what you think. I do have a free ebook that you can click here to download, the top 10 petite essentials. Everything I'm wearing, the links are down below, or you can scan the QR code to shop my blog post. Dark rinse wash is the latest denim trend that just started in Paris, but it's already spreading all over the place. I just got mine from H&M. If you walk into any popular denim brand, you're gonna find this type of jeans. They're a little different than the traditional dark wash jeans. They're stiffer, less stretchy. Like this pair from H&M, it's 99% cotton and 1% elastin. So the fabrics feel thicker and more raw denim kind of feel, which is what I love. If you're a petite girl, not only wants to look taller, but also want to look leaner, you're gonna need one of these because these are so slimming. Another big reason I'm loving this trend is they come with contrasting stitches that makes them more dressy. So denim no longer has to be that casual piece. It can look totally polished in this kind of jeans, and you can even wear this to work. Because they're made of more rigid fabrics, you do want to size up. This pair from H&M, I sized up to size 4. I'm typically a size 2 in most jeans or a 26. You know what else is on trend? Have your laundry smell like high-end perfume instead of laundry detergent. Here, I need to thank today's video sponsor, Laundry Sauce. I do hot yoga 3 times a week. My husband works out every day and my son plays sports. I've been looking for something that not only cleans well, but also I wanted to smell good. So I was so happy when I discovered Laundry Sauce. This set is Egyptian rose. Smells incredible. These are the dryer sheets, and this is an in-wash booster. You just sprinkle a little bit and make the scent last longer. I love how it not only smells amazing, but also it really get rid of all the stains and sweats because it's got the bioenzyme blend. That's so important, especially when I do laundry for my son's clothing and socks. So head over to their website today. You can use the link down below or scan the QR code. Use my code for 15% off. They have 8 different scents to choose from. Perfect for gifting. The box looks so luxurious. Wide-leg jeans, my favorite subject. As a petite girl, I have a love-hate relationship with wide-leg jeans. They're hard to look good, but when you find the right pair and when you style it right, they can make you look stunning. So let's talk about the trend. In the last 5 years, you probably have noticed it as well. This is the one type of jeans that's everywhere. Everybody's wearing them. But what I noticed this season though, they are splitting into 2 ends of the spectrum. On the one end, you're gonna see more and more looser and looser fitted wide-leg jeans. A lot of these have drawstrings. They look more and more casual, and some of these have a low rise, and some of these are so wide they're called the palazzo jeans. I actually tried it. I ordered a pair from Gap. This is one of their best sellers. It did not work out for me. It's just too baggy. But on the other hand, my favorite is the wide-leg jeans that's getting more and more dressy. This is a type of jeans that looks almost like trousers, and they make you look really polished. They're darker wash and they're thicker fabrics. This is the kind of jeans that can pass for a business casual dress code. Some of you mentioned in the comments below you want to try it, just don't know where to start. I suggest you go with this type. The dressier kind of wide-leg jeans are actually easier to style. This is my recent favorite pair from H&M. It's the same pair I've shown you earlier in the dark rinse wash, but this is a lighter color with a patch pocket and the decorative gold buttons. How cute are these? They're not too wide and not too long. That is a key if you're petite. Do put on a little bit of kitten heels. This is now a very leggy, elongating outfit. Flare and bootcut jeans are making a big comeback. This is something I started to notice last year. And this season, it's getting more popular. If you walk into any denim brand store this year, you're gonna see everyone is making flare or bootcut jeans. These two are very similar and they're extremely flattering for petite women. But just that flare jeans or bootcut jeans have been around forever doesn't mean that if you pull out a pair from 10 years ago, it's gonna look exactly the same this year. They're not. They're gonna be a little different. What I noticed is they're less flared. They're less exaggerated this season. A lot of them are kick flare, and some of these are combined with straight leg or wide leg, so the flare is not that obvious. I love flare jeans. As a petite girl, I've always noticed as soon as I put on a pair of flare or bootcut jeans, they immediately make my legs look so much longer. This pair I got from Spanx. I love everything about it. It's really fitted on your hips and thighs, and it has that slight kick flare underneath the knees, and that's how they hug your body at the right places. You do want to make sure your top is not too tight, because when your top is a little relaxed fit, it can perfectly balance out the fit of the jeans. Yep, the hemlines are getting more interesting this season. There's two trending designs you're gonna see more in stores: the split hem or the diagonal line, the asymmetric hem. Both of these can be really flattering for shorter girls because they both got that element of vertical lines. I talked about this a lot in my other videos. When you're petite, always look for and create vertical line in your outfit. I recently just got these pair from Loft. I love everything about this pair. The diagonal hem is what makes it so modern and refreshed, very 2025. I also like how it's got that belt. If you carry more weight in your midsection like myself, this kind of belt does not make your tummy look more obvious. So everything about this pair looks really flattering. The fold over hem is a newer trend. I first noticed it last year, and back in spring, I noticed more. Now this season, even more. So when you go to the store, you're gonna start to see them popping up. This is a one trend you have to be very selective. I see a lot of the wide leg jeans have this kind of fold over hem. I'm staying away from that because when the leg is already that wide, it can already be overwhelming for a shorter person. Now on top of that, adding that fold over, especially a lot of these are very obvious contrasting colors, it's really gonna emphasize how wide the legs are. So that is probably not the most flattering kind of jeans for petites. On the other hand, this is a pair I just got from Express. This is a straight leg, and that is the main reason it works for shorter girls like myself. The leg is not too wide. Even with the fold over hem, it's not gonna make your legs look cut off. I also like how it's a relaxed fit. It's a little looser fitted compared with my other straight leg jeans, but that actually makes it easier to style. I can pair it with a relaxed fit top, like this cashmere top, or go with a tighter fitted top. So that is the top 5 most flattering denim trends for shorter girls this season. I am so glad you're staying for this part of the video because I'm gonna tell you about this one surprising trend you probably thinking it's not gonna work, but it actually can work, and that is the barrel leg. I know, this is controversial. I've seen a lot of you left comments below. Some of you really can't stand it, and some of you love this trend. I have to be honest with you. When the barrel leg first came out, maybe 5 years ago, I thought it was a big no-no. A lot of people think this trend is not gonna last because it just looks so strange. And especially if you're shorter, this kind of barrel shape is so easy to make your legs look cut off. Now, over the years, barrel has changed a lot. Now there's a lot of different kind of designs, and now they're also making petite sizes. So this year, the barrel is still going very strong and seems like it's not going anywhere. I decided to try it, but primarily it's because a lot of you are asking me in the comments, Chi, I really want to try this trend. How do I make it work? So I ordered this pair from Old Navy. and it turned out I actually liked it. So I kept this pair. But here's the thing, for petite to look good in barrel, you do need to be more thoughtful how you are styling it. Your top needs to be fitted. It doesn't need to be tight. This is a button-down shirt from Kunz, and this is a cardigan from H&M. Neither of this is like body count type of tight clothes, but they make the barrel jeans look better because these are fitted. The other part of it, very important, is your shoes. You want to make sure you are wearing dainty shoes, either strappy shoes or pointed toe shoes. And of course, the length is key. I always go with 1 inch above my ankle. You want to show your ankle. That is also very important. Wow, congratulations. I am so glad you finished the entire video. So now you know what denim trend that looks the best on petite women this year. If you have not yet, make sure you sign up for my newsletter below so that you can receive my free styling tips every week straight to your inbox. And I will see you in the next video.